confused in their attack pattern. Last rush. Good, it's a good goal. Another swing. Decadence. Placing the ball. A good run again to the Soviets. Second goal. And the third goal. Sabunov. Salenko. Nice 1-2 ball and a good goal. Suffered from some injury. I may not be. Oh, goal! Beautiful goal by Nigeria. Nice goal. Rachel Awal. I did for you. Trippy and a free kick coming to Nigeria. I did for you. We're taking a goal! Goal number 2 to Nigeria. Chris Ohehe. He has done it again. Now Abdullahi gets this one. Elijah runs on the left. He has Peter Gaba to the right. A chance to Nigeria. Elijah! And the goal! Goal number 3 to Nigeria. Sam Elijah. I did for you. A good chance to Nigeria. It is a goal! It is a goal! It's a goal! Nigeria has equalized. Nigeria 4, Soviet Union 4, 5 minutes to go. This match will go down in the record book that for the first time a country came from 4 goals down to equalize in the World Cup. The rest of the Salazi. The rest is taken out. Leading 5-4. It's a hand. Nathan to the left of the keeper. For Soviet is Oleg Salenko. A goal. It's a goal. Nigeria 5, Soviet Union 5. Salenko and is called for the Soviet Union. Next for Nigeria is Peter Ogaba. Peter Ogaba, a goal. Nigeria leading 6 goals to 5. Confidently, Ogaba puts it in. Soviet Union side. Going next for Soviet, the second one, a goal. Number 2 scores for Soviet Union. 6-6. Next for Nigeria, Mike Oyichamara. Oh, go! The keeper nearly caught it. Mike Oyichamara. He nearly caught it, but the god of soccer says with the Flying Eagles. Nigeria 7, Soviet Union 6. Kasimov to take the Soviet third one. It is safe! It is safe! Emeka Amadi saved it. Emeka Amadi saved it. It's a slow motion. And Amadi stretched full length to save that one and giving Nigeria an advantage in this penalty shootout. Nigeria leading 7-6. 2 more to go for Nigeria and 2 more to go for the Soviets. Mutiu Adepoju.